the climate change, reducing the carbon footprint. I would like to share my experience in that. I think there must be some civil engineers. Can anybody tell for a normal building of 3-story how much steel per SFT is consumed? Can anybody guess? It ranges from, let us say, the high level I am telling 4 kgs per SFT. But with the use of appropriate technologies, with the use of cost effective technologies, you can bring it down to 2.2 kgs, 2.5 kgs. I think Chennai IIT has done wonderful work in using gypsum board based construction of multi-story buildings as a model. I had been there and then I have seen it. There is another, of course, cost effective technology. But unfortunately, my dear friends, the engineers who have been produced by all the institutions who are here, they are not concerned about saving in the steel consumption. Suppose if you calculate the total construction that is happening now, instead of 4 kgs, even if you can bring down to, let us say, 3 kgs without loss of strength, without any safety problems. Technology is available. Technology has been published. There are large number of research papers available already. And if you go for filler slab, you can bring it down to 2.5 kgs. I have built my own buildings, personal buildings and of course institutional buildings with about 2.5 kg, 2.6 kg per SFT with filler slab. You calculate the amount of material that we are wasting. I think millions of SFT is being built every year in every city. And if you calculate per SFT saving of, let us say, even 1 kg, I think a huge quantity of material is being saved. Material saved is produced, wealth created. Can we create that sensitivity? I am not getting into why there is such excessive use of the steel in the construction. There's a different topic altogether. There are a large number of factors that need to be understood. But yes, that can be saved. Can you make our civil engineers much more sensitive to the consumption of the materials? The cleaning, the solid waste management aspects, which we have converted our campus the last 3 years, and we have developed an SOP, standard operating procedure, and I think we have shared with a large number of institutions where you can follow that. Every bit of the material is recycled, saved and converted into wealth, either in the form of biogas or in the form of vermicompost. The full cycle has been developed and is working sustainably. So I think that approach, this is the building for the last 1.5 years I had been living, which is a cost effective, about 5,000 SFT building using the locally available materials, thermally efficient, and some of the technologies used, like this is a rat trap bond, where you can save huge amount of material. Filler slab, where you're introducing 2 mangrove tiles or any other filler material can be used without compromising on the strength of the building, strength of the slab. And then you can have a nice view at the bottom. And thermally, it is much more comfortable. This another, to create a design using this mud cups, using the local, the material, the tandoor stone which is available nearer to the Hyderabad. Instead of going for, yes, I could have gone for marble or granite, but marble and granite coming from Rajasthan or coming from some other place, it has consumption of energy, it has high carbon footprint and is much more comfortable than all these materials. This is inside structure of the building. Instead of going for wooden or steel railings, use bamboo railing, treated bamboo as railing. I think our concepts of construction have to change. The triple peace, the planet. And I think these are all the ways which we can, and this is proven technology. After treatment, it can be as long life as any other material. This is another shot, and of course an STP, a bioremediation based STP for the house. So these are all the technologies which we have used, and we are, of course, we have bagged an award from HUDCO for this house, and this is all possible only if we can teach and sensitize them that the planet Earth is important, sensitize them that conservation of the resources is important, sensitizing them that not only construction cost but the future maintenance cost also is important. Otherwise we have to go for heavy AC and all those things if thermally not comfortable.